Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the number 7. This video continues to stress the importance of teaching students how to recognise numbers and how to connect them to real life. The meaning of the number 7 can be simply explained by saying that it represents 7 objects in real life. Tracing. Students must be given many opportunities to trace because tracing is very closely connected to fine motor skills. Students are given opportunities to trace the number 7. These are just a few examples of the number 7, and we'd have many more examples for the students because the more often they trace the number 7, the more likely it is they'll remember it and they'll know what it looks like. It can be explained to students that the tracing represents the short way of writing the number 7. It is the actual number. We also need to explain that it can be written as a word. Students are given opportunities to trace the word 7. Just like that, but you can give them many more examples. Naturally, teachers would make students aware of the appropriate font. Students are given opportunities to recognise those groups that contain 7 objects. Example 1. Circle the box that contains 7 objects. When students hear the word box, they should know that it's only one box, and I'm sure they'll pick this one. Example 2. Circle the boxes that contain 7 objects. When students hear the word boxes, they should know that it's more than one box, so they'll be looking carefully, and I'm sure they will circle that box there and this one. Students love colouring in, as we know, so they'd be asked to colour 7 cats. You can have any animals here as long as you have more than 7, so they'll actually stop at 7. And they love drawing also, and you'd give them many opportunities to do drawing. Here we have 7 birds, 7 wheels, 7 clocks. You can choose any objects you want. These are just examples. So this video has introduced students to the number 7, and we've made some connections to the real world.